latest flip coming on the market this week is this house in the middle of Phoenix. We're pretty close to 35th Avenue and Thunderbird. This one turned out really good, but it was quite the process getting through it. This one had more items that we had to fix. We had to adjust things on the house, and then surprise, 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 we got hit again and again and again with more and more expenses. Right off the bat, this driveway. Look how freakishly long this driveway is. When we bought this house, there was a pile of junk on the left half of the driveway and in the garage, or somewhat carport at the time. It was somewhat cracked here, but totally seemed salvageable, so we did not put it into the plan to fix. Once we removed all the crap out of the way, it was even worse, massively lifted, had no choice. $10,000 later, new driveway, half new garage floor. So that is the name of the game. Sometimes it just happens. And that's the first thing. I'm gonna walk you guys through other things that came up. But obviously, like I just mentioned, the garage here, we added the garage door, we enclosed it up. It actually came in very, very nice. Most of the homes here have garages, so it was definitely an important part to add to this house for the amount of money that we're gonna demand out of it. So, all right, let's go ahead and take you guys inside to show you some of the other items I'm talking about. Knock, knock. Anybody home? Not yet. Family coming near you soon. Right here, we actually had one of those like indoor green areas with a planter, and they were trying to grow things. So kind of a really weird, unique and space, and it's not even that big. So clearly that thing needed to be out of here. Now you walk right into the big open space. Boom, our traditional kitchens with the additional storage underneath the island. Quartz countertops like we always do. Same appliance package. So airy, tons of light, right? I mentioned on other videos before, we throw so many can lights up in here. There's at least 25 in the kitchen and living room space. It's just kind of crazy. So here we have this, and right off to the side, barn door with a huge laundry room. You will never run out of space. Laundry room, and put shelving and store whatever you want, right? So, and you come right in off the garage. So this is perfect. You have this beautiful space. You have easy access outside, and you walk right over, imagine this, to your fireplace. Modern, push of a button. It can create heat for you. This house is actually very desirable. We really thought about keeping this, and if we don't get what we want for it, we might just add it to the portfolio. So, very cozy. You look right out the window to the backyard as well. So, this is probably my favorite part of the whole house. I could live here for 80% of the time that I'm here. So, all right, now, let's show you some more. We got the hallway around the corner. Obviously, as you go down here, less and less to talk about. You got your standard bedroom there, another standard bedroom here, bathroom on the left side. We'll show you some pan pictures of that because it's our traditional bathroom, but it does look amazing. You guys will love it. As we keep coming, a little bit bigger bedroom here, but obviously what you really want to see is the master, right? So come on in. Now this was a little bit of a process, okay? Imagine this. Right where you guys are, there was a wall right here that came out and connected. So your bathroom was a little bit bigger, but you'd walk right in your bedroom to a wall, and then your bedroom was only this wide. Very non-functional. And it would look so long and skinny. So we had to push that back. Unfortunately, that means single vanity instead of a double, but now you have the space that you need where you put your big old grand king size bed right here and be the king and queen of your castle. Okay, it has a huge walk-in closet, and once again, same style we always do with our bathrooms around here. So This house has changed dramatically from what it was and hit us again and again in the pocketbook. This wall wasn't something that we planned on doing. The driveway wasn't something we planned on doing. Let me show you some more of what we weren't planning on doing. All right, the backyard, pretty simple. There's not much going over here, except for we had to prep and seal the wall, repaint the wall, right? Wasn't an expense you always plan on every house. We had to recoat the decking, right? You can see it had some issues. We patched those as good as we ever were going to, but it looks 100 times better. The pool has been remodeled, and then the pool equipment over here, that was supposed to be working. Nope, $8,000 later, brand new pool equipment. See that fence behind it? That just got done last week. $2,000 later as well. So you can see, on the budget here, we're probably $30,000 to $35,000 over what we originally had budgeted for the house. Some of it will demand a little bit more, most of it won't. So when you're running a house flip, you definitely need to be conservative on your numbers, get the best prices you can, because these type of things, they're gonna find you. But at the end of the day, you jump through the hoops, you get the work done, and you're still gonna make your money if you're conservative. So, all right guys, this one's coming on the market. Hit me up if you wanna buy it.